Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So in today's video, we'll not be playing any games or nothing like my content. We're gonna be making something called a mosquito here. You might be seeing a lot of shorts on YouTube. A lot of people were making this, and if you want to do it too, then just go to my channel and continue watching the video. And so here, it's just put it in your skin, and it's gonna pop right away. But if it doesn't work, you just gotta like push this here, push it. But I'll tell you that at the end of the video when we're gonna be done. Alright, so here, this is how it hurts. I'm gonna do it here. Ow, that hurts. Okay, that hurts. I did it on my finger. But if you do it here, I think it's gonna hurt more. Like I saw on the YouTube short. Alright, here's how to make one. Take a bobby pin, and I'm gonna go here, and just put it like this, and just swing it. And just do this. Just fold, alright, yeah, just like fold it into a V. Like this. Into a V. Just like open those two little sticks. It's gonna be something like this. Like this, and there's like a little hole over there. And make sure, I'm gonna do that again. If you guys didn't see that, I'm sorry about that. Here, so I have it like this. All I gotta do is gotta pull it into the other direction to make a V. It has to be like something like this. So the next one is you gotta pull this here. Wait, okay. Okay, you see this here little stick here? You gotta push it down. I'm gonna do it from here. Push it down like this. Okay, like that. Start pushing it down until it's gonna be a straight line. So then it should look, 1 second. So, alright, let me make it. I'm gonna fold it. Alright, should look something like this. Okay, now you're gonna twist it. You're gonna twist this part until it comes like right around over here, somewhere. And I'll show you, and I'll be done. Here, you gotta push it up. Do it like this. Push it up. I can't see it right. Push it up. Then all you gotta do is just make it go to the right over here. Now, if it doesn't hold there, just all you gotta do is just push it right like the other side over here, like this. Take it out, move it. This has to be like this, and then just turn it. And make sure it goes like behind like this. There we go. And here it is, the mosquito. So this should be behind. If you put it, it doesn't work. You see that, right? So all you gotta do is just push it, and then fire like this, and then that's how it works. So here, I'll do it on my finger again. Alright, it hurts really much, so try not to do this. It's only for entertainment. Ow! Okay, that hurt. It's only for entertainment purposes only. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.